Oh, this is what Halloween in North Tacoma is like. And this is all on one block in North Tacoma. Enjoy.
I don't mean to brag, but I'm very popular with moms.
That guy meant to say he's very popular with moms. Mommies, that is.
A couple of years ago, there was one mom that was maybe a little, like, borderline. I do. I'm glad you guys are getting your candy. We are. Yeah, good. I'll walk about. Yeah. Have fun.
Can you help provide?
I guess.
This was a really cool one, man.
I got it. Oh, yeah. This one's cool, man. It's pretty cool. Okay. One more block.
Where's the pirate?
Have you seen the pirate?
The pirate is people up in their upstairs window.
It's not close to you. Wow. I know, but we walk. See you guys. You know.
Hey, Dave! Emily! Hey, stop! Can we wait for Emily? Crazy. My kids are like, why don't we have any decorations? Emily, help! I love the Cruella. Look at you. That's a very scary cat. Oh, come on, lady.
Okay, Charlotte, do you want to go over to the light? Okay, wait right here. And he's got a wheel stop. I want your bucket. Keep going then. Here. Oh no, I was telling this to Steve. He literally just like came over, knocked on the window, said what
You want to go?
and then just walked over straight back.
It's up on the house. Look up on the up there. You want me to go with you? Oh, look, there's bubbles. You want me to go with you?
Oh, dude. Yeah.
Party fan. You're flowing. Breathing. Hi, Polly! I like that. Well, these are pink. Okay, these are pink. Well, can I pop them with this? Can I pop them with this? Can I pop them with this?
The monster man. He caught on in the fire. He did the monster man. From my laboratory in the castle east to the master bedroom where the vampires feast, the ghouls all came from their humble abodes to get a jolt from my electrode. They did the mash. They did the monster man. The monster mash. It was a graveyard smash.
Oh, that's nice.
It caught on in a flash. They did the monster mash. The zombies were having fun.
Yeah, this one is a lot I think. Ako may wrong namin.
Guys, go get some candy.
Alright, this is Tori on the roundabout. We're going this way.
It's a funny costume!
Yeah.
I wanted to greet people. Hello! Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween!
What a great yard. Love it. You've got a levitating relative, huh?
I would give him
Sometimes.
I would give him two.
I can't see whatever you're seeing.
Thank you. I want to give yes.
I want those, you know? I'm a dog. I can smell it too. Thank you. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Okay, Alyssa and Harrison, we are going to be outside for 10 more minutes. Round, and then we're going to go inside and get ready for bed, okay? Wayne Static's over here.